Hi, my name is Jill. I work for Chapman Manufacturing, a company that makes USA-made screwdriver sets. Today I'm making our master set, so come along. Today we're making yellow sets. We make 90 at a time. Step one, of course, is to lay out all 90 of the cases to put the tools in. After I lay out all the cases, I'm going to start putting racks into the center part of the case. There are 7 racks to this case that hold 51 bits total. Phillips, Reed and Prince, SAE hex, metric hex, Robertson, slotted star bits that fit Torx, and a socket adapter. After that, we have 5 different interchangeable tools: a handle, an extension, a short extension, a ratchet, and a spinner. What's great about this set is that you can choose to put the bits either directly into the handle or put the handle and the extension together and the bit into the extension. You can really do any combination that you want. I'm going to do a separate video that goes more in depth with that, so be on the lookout for that on our page. As soon as I'm finished assembling, somebody comes and checks my work. Today was Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. You might recognize her from the chat feature on our website or in the replies to the emails that you send us. Once she gives the okay that everything looks good, we load them up and put them on the shelf to be picked for orders. This is what they look like when they're all assembled. And that's it. Thanks for joining. This is a 5575 master set.